Jerry, yo, more and more I realize how normal me is, you know, me normal in a dog. Bumbaras clad. Chroma say, I got pearl. Look, we outside. Fuck Oprah. Oprah can't stay home. Hold on there. No, me if you come out of a normal zone, you must be mad. I feel like say I'm good right here, so. I feel like say I'm weird enough. And I don't need to get no weirder. You know, go. I don't feel like I need to get no weirder than this. Oprah say if you stay home. When I found out for the live, I call Oprah and this sir. You see me? Me no feel like me forget no stranger than this. I'm good right here, so. So yo, where the girl them there, when I have a problem for see, them man a fuck a next girl. Cause I don't know, I feel like say woman can deal with certain things better than man. What do you think? I feel like say a woman can really just deal with certain things. Like when all a woman find out say you cheat, she will just vex with you. And then 2 days after you're not good back. But if me ever find out say all my woman give her the pussy you, God no, Jesus Christ. Stress out. I feel like say woman can deal with them kind of stress. Them say woman was made to feel the pain, you know. You see me? I feel like say woman can deal with certain things better than man. Some woman find out say them man a cheat and them just ball a little bit, vex a little bit, then them good back. What go on? Yeah, that will no eye back. Much love from Germany. I know I wanna like over Germany, you know. Wanna like right now I feel African vibe. Baby, show me your African pride. But yo, so now I find out say one girl I did there with already. Long time. Clarification, cause I know I wanna stay. I will say something now. And then when I look on a tight to somebody else or tight to the wrong person or some fuckery. A very long time ago, right? One girl when me did a deal with, I find out say she cheat. That bitch. You, Miss Dog. I could feel about the same. When me and her fuck, me just... It's like me all a stroke it and me and say, yo... Somebody else is there, son. I don't know if I feel good about that pum here again. I don't know if I'm happy with that pussy here again. That pussy I tamper with. Yo, no bother with the fuckery, you know, Junior. Stacy got it. Why you say, wow? Me just not feel good. Feel a weird. It a mad me. Me I say, yo, the pum tamper with. You see me? You check it all the way from shade of Thailand there, really? Pum pum tamper with. Stress out till the relationship. Me I try to fix it back still, you know. You see me? Cause me did love her. I try to fix it back, but it's like every time if I call her phone and I not get her, I start to get flashback. I say, blood clot, I wonder if she a fuck one nigga now. Stress out. Yeah. He said, open up a man from Tampa with it. Yeah, man, there. Sicker than the people them at China. Nobody go over there got sick. So the female she a fuck. All if she did a fuck pa me with a female it bossa. Yo, some man nah no sense, you know. Some man we see woman like them woman and allow it. That was nothing wrong, cause them a pre say them want a threesome. Yo, fuck. When you think say a threesome, you get your head up with none some. Girl take away your girl clean. Me not run joke with my woman them way they youth. You mad? Me not run joke with my woman them way they yo. First of all, a woman can take away your woman better than a nigga. So if you are worried about man, you have to worry 10 times worse when I want a woman involved. You can't stand there. Some boy see girl a fidget around them girl. All in a for them mind. Yeah man, threesome, yeah. Threesome? You fuck. Me know of a situation where that happened already. The girl is my girl thief. I no joke. The girl is not easy. Me I tell her. Yo. Me know one girl. They with one man. Them have a good thing going. Until one girl get in an equation. Pussy clot. She and the girl start talk all the while, right? And him not have a problem with it. Yeah, babe. Yeah, man, talk to her, man. Yeah. Hold on, let me put up this shit, alright, real quick. I have to pin that comment real quick. Powerful.com. This is a paid ad by Powerful.com. Alright, anyway, let's go. So, blood clot. She and the girl are talk on the phone. All in a my boy brain cell. Him think say some extra pussy a forward for him way. The girl them get real close. You see me? Now the girl start tapping a man girl brain. Cause woman know a woman like and know if you say to woman, you know. Start tapping her brain one way. For the girl know the girl in love with the girl. You see me? Yeah. And one day the girl just pack her things them and left the house. Yo, India, we got pearl, you know. Forward out. Yeah, girl know if you please a woman, you feel like a joke thing. So blood clot, girl just pack her things them one day. And she just left and she never returned. Me mean never return him, never get back the girl. Never in life. It was over. Yeah. So when you see some girl a ramp, me don't make my woman ramp with some girl. Mad. Them girl with name with your girl clean. And fuck with your girl. Cause remember say them can buy any dildo them want, you know. Remember say you have what you have and you can't change it. You can't change that shit. You can't fucking make it vibrate none of that good shit. And twirl and fucking do all of that extra shit. Hey. I tell you. What Oprah say about 10 times better? Oprah come off her life with the fuck queen, no matter don't feel like say you hear me and say yeah the girl them can do this and the girl them can do that. I don't want you feel like say you can substitute out dick, you know. There's no substitution for dick, you know. You understand? Don't do it. Cause rubber can't feel like skin. You can't get the vein them a pump. I'm tell you. There's no substitution for this dick here. Yeah, the girl them know what them a do, yes, and them can do them thing and rare, but I don't want you to feel like say there's no substitution for this dick. Dick have blood clot, real blood a run through it. And vein. And blood clot, heartbeat. I don't want you to feel like say rare. Girl, them have to love this dick you same way. You can love your vibrator, but you need to love this dick you same way. Hey, open a bother with the sodomite thing pan the thing, you know. Done with a sodomite argument, you know. That me I try to tell you right now, you know. You upset me, you know. Like when I want to take out dick out of the equation. One man figure to Batman fist. I'm tell you. Don't want you feel like say you want to take out dick out of the equation. Like when one man just go park up them wood. You're mad. Crowmans. Yes, Crowmans. Talk, Crowmans. Blood clot, do them. In Oprah. Oprah would have come with this sodomite thing, you know. Yeah, Oprah not a woman though. Yeah. But you say we need to write a song about this. If them girl feel like say vibrator go fucking substitute, we make a sad mistake. No, the wood can't vibrate and them something they me, but the wood can do certain things with the vibrator can't do said way, so it's not a substitution.